Adjuncts. I wanted to go over with you all how to administratively withdraw a student. Today is the 14th day in the semester, so if you have someone that only did the mandatory course enrollment activity, you will need to administratively withdraw them tomorrow. So I have on the screen our administrative withdrawal form, which I will also send to all of you. I wanted to go over, it's pretty self-explanatory, but where to get this information and how it's supposed to be done. Obviously, the instructor name would be you. And then the easiest way to get the student ID I have found is just to go into self-serve, the faculty, and then click on the class. And I do have someone I need to withdraw, so I'm just doing that now. And go into your class and get the student. I'm going to be withdrawing. Well, she may have already withdrawn herself. She has. This one will be eligible to withdraw tomorrow. They did their activity on the 10th. So you have their name and their student number. I just copy and paste. Make sure you have the section number. And then let's go back. We got the student ID number, the student name. Oops, make sure I got the student name correct. I know the last name, but the first name. J-E-B-A, okay. So go back here. I'm sorry, I put this in the wrong place. See, I'm not paying any attention. Student ID number, student name, course number was the date of last attendance. The date of last attendance would be so this is you've been monitoring the student. They have to do this by midnight tonight. Actually, it's tomorrow for mine. So Friday would, according to this, so let's say that today is the 14th day. You would put today's date in there. What is today? Isn't that terrible? 23rd. And you make sure that you do a W, and then do this form to this records@mitchellcc.edu. What I always do is I just save it and then go into my email and send it. So that's really all you have to do to administratively withdraw someone. You don't have to give them a grade. You don't have to do anything except send this form. And again, I will attach it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I just wanted to kind of give you all a kind of quick and dirty, but if you have any questions, let me know. And as always, we appreciate everything you do for us. Thanks.